Well, thank you for taking time out to speak with me today, Nikolay. Tell us a bit about your role within AstraZeneca.
I've been with AstraZeneca for more than 5 years, where my main role is to leverage AI, including generative AI, for drug discovery and development.
Okay, and thanks very much for speaking today at our roundtable. For those that weren't there, give us a little summary of what you spoke about.
Yes, so we've been looking into GenAI at AstraZeneca for some time by now. So my group has been working on different projects for around maybe 2-3 years. And so far we identified within our group 3 main use cases where GenAI can help us. First, generating synthetic data, because as you think about it, like getting some drug development, medical data is very expensive and it's a very scarce resource. So we leverage GenAI to generate data that then we can use to expand on our real data we have. Then also we work with multimodal data, and sometimes we have missing data points, modalities, so we use GenAI to impute missing data. So it's quite relative to synthetic data generation. The second use case is harmonization of data. So if you think about it, we have data which comes, for example, from different hospitals, different clinical trials, and so on. So the data is very diverse, how it was acquired, how it was recorded. And GenAI can help you to harmonize and standardize this data. So this is a different approach. Just to kind of give more solid example, imagine we have like data pathology reports coming from 14 hospitals from the UK. They're all written in quite different format, and we developed a system that can harmonize and standardize these reports that can then use for downstream analysis and training GenAI models. And finally, the most exciting use case is generating pathology reports directly from histopathology images. So a lot of work we've been doing recently is developing GenAI to empower pathologists. And pathologists, they spend a lot of time looking into histopathology images and writing reports. It takes time. And our idea is to use GenAI that models can produce reports automatically from images. So you provide image, histopathology, digital image to the model, and that model identifies patterns important for histopathology diagnostics, for example, and then puts it in a text report.
Well, thanks for explaining that, and thanks very much for speaking at our event and continuing the good work.
My pleasure.
Thanks
Thank
very
you.
much.